It's heating up in Texas, but the forecast is blizzard! The Texas DQ Blizzard Meal Deal. On sale right now for just $5.99. Get a quarter-pound Hunger Buster, golden fries, ice cold drink, and the perfect size blizzard, all for just $5.99. So Texas, where's the coolest place to stop?